Yanına tavuk şakaf çalacağız.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy.
Let's shoot this guy.
Him consistent blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape.
Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But it won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Thank you.
Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
And row 6, left-hand side. Seatbelts go buckle left, to right, left, to right. Come on.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket, unplug you and start fingering. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Rocket, you're an overlord titan.
very testing. It did nothing. It could all...